Hey guys, this is Michelle, and we have not touched up her roots since, geez, it'd be like 3-4 months at this point. So we have to go in 1/4 of an inch away from the scalp. And as you can see, I'm going to paint both sides of the hair with my lightener, and I'm using Big 9 and Olaplex, and I'm going to place little foils in between. And I don't do this with everybody, but I do it with her because she's really, really dark. Now, if somebody was like a level 7, I would not do this because it would just like cook the hell out of their hair. So now I had the assistance of my friend Priscilla to come in and hit the roots because we got her to a level 8. Now we're going with purple, so I don't need to bleach her up to like all kingdom come. And now we're doing like a purple, red, and pink melt. Now we were going to do yellow, and I decided to pull it through, and that stuff turned green. That's right, orange turned green, probably from the purple leaking down into it. But anyways, if you want to learn to turn hair baby shit green, just let me know because I know how to do it. So we had to go with this pink. The hue is darker than the green, so was the red. So it all worked out. Michelle was happy. Guys, if you like and enjoy my content, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Hey guys, and if you like that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.